The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, and Sussex, effective until 10:25 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Morris County, in northern New Jersey, northern Somerset County, in northern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County, in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Sussex County, in northwestern New Jersey, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Manville, Kinlon, and Chatham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 41. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 48. Interstate 287W Jersey between mile markers 14 and 53. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, Round 1, encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles